How to fix X or Twitter call option, voice or video call icon missing. First of all, simply open the application. Then tap on the message envelope at the end. And at the top, tap on all and you'll see the settings. Tap on settings. And here you'll see enable audio and video calling. Simply make sure you toggle this icon on, as this will take messaging to the next level with audio and video calls. When enabled, you can select who you're comfortable using it with. And you can also allow the call to come from anyone you follow, verified users, or just from everyone, so that a wide audience can reach you. And also see if you have turned on any DM restriction. As you can see, allow message request from all. This is on no one, so make sure that it is on everyone, so that anyone trying to reach you can easily DM you and be able to call you. After that, simply head back and long press on the application, tap on the app info icon. Then go to the permission app section, and after that simply head over to your contacts and make sure that you give the app the permission to use. Tap on allow. Now tap on phone, also tap on allow, and make sure you toggle a lot of features like camera also on allow, even your media and also your microphone. If you want to get a call notification, tap on notification and tap it also on allow, and after that your problem should be fixed. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.